Jim Hoops. E-N-T.
When you think of garbage, think of Hakeem.
In all forms of entertainment, there is the concept of spiritual successors, with a spiritual successor essentially being a continuation from the original story, whether intentional or not. In video games, this is quite common, where studios copy similar elements of previous and different games, such as how Bungie decided to no longer make games exclusively for the Xbox, so Microsoft created Gears of War to act as a spiritual successor to Bungie's Halo series. Film is no different, and there is no better example than how Black Panther is the spiritual successor to Coming to America. The overlap is unmistakable. Both involve fictional African kingdoms surrounded by mountains, Zamunda in Coming to America and Wakanda in Black Panther. But here's where things really start getting interesting. Black Panther literally opens with a flashback to 1992, where Zuri and T'Chaka's brother, N'Jobu, are in Oakland, California. Literally a prince and his friend. With N'Jobu having a 9-year-old son, the future Killmonger, they would have had to have been in America in the 1980s. The whole story of Coming to America is a prince, Prince Hakeem, and his friend Semi being in 1980s America.
I want a woman that's going to arouse my intellect as well as my loins.
Where will you find such a woman?
In America.
Prince Hakeem comes to America to find a woman to fall in love. N'Jobu has a son, so at the very least he made love. The Kingdom of Zamunda has a very attractive female staff. The Kingdom of Wakanda also has very attractive female staff. Semi is a combat specialist that accompanies Prince Hakeem to America.
Now let's see if you can defend yourself, you sweat from a baboon's balls.
As well as Hakeem being quite a combat specialist himself. N'Jobu is no slouch himself, being the son and brother of 2 respective Black Panthers, as well as being the uncle and father of 2 other respective Black Panthers. He probably knows a thing or two about combat. Nick Fury is a major character in the Marvel Universe, and his character, before joining S.H.I.E.L.D., is present in Coming to America. So there you have it. Short, sweet, and to the point. Black Panther is the spiritual successor to Coming to America.